Hi, everybody. It's Miss Marissa. So, as promised, I am going to read you a few different books. One is What is Hybrid Learning, and the other one is Getting My Temperature. And another book I'm going to try to upload is called Nibbles the Book Monster. My son loves this book. So, I'm going to try to upload 3 different videos. I hope this will work once it's done. So the first book I'm going to read to you, so kids, you could get used to and try to understand what is going to happen this year. So what is hybrid learning? Coronavirus has made schools look very different this year. So some of us are going to be on the computer one week, and some of us will be in the classroom. So it's going to look a little different. Last spring, students and teachers did their work from home. This is called distance learning. This was done to stop the spread of germs. Schools will be starting soon again. My school will be doing something called hybrid learning. This means I will go to my school building for a week, and the other days I will be doing distance learning. When I'm learning at home, it is important to listen to your parents or guardian who is helping you with your schoolwork. So this might be your mom, your dad, your aunt, your grandma, your brother, sister, any adult. I should try my best to listen to them, just like I would listen to my teachers when I am at the school building. It is still school, but you're doing it from home. Hybrid learning is different. It might take a while to get used to. It is a great thing about hybrid learning is that I will get to see some of my friends and teachers at school each week. The end. So with us, we're going to come to school for 1 week, and then the next week you're going to be on the computer at home with Miss Rucka. Okay, so it's going to take some time getting used to, but I hope this story helps.